Before this round, we'll have to thank lots of people. Okay. So we'll have to thank Mr. Nagarajan for providing us the buzzer setup. Okay. He's the only working buzzer in Coimbatore. All the other buzzers they blink, never work. Okay. Yes, of course, for giving us such a great support, the people from AIDAS. Okay, please give a big hand. And of course, this wonderful institute, Sangara Group of Institutions, the management, thank you very much, sir and ma'am. And all the faculties of the Department of Management Studies, the head, all the faculty members, a big thank you for your cooperation and putting up a very good show. And the real heroes of today's show is the students of SIPS for bringing in a record 180 plus teams. Kudos. So in the recent times, that is in the last 6 months, this is the record turnover for any class. 180 teams for a business class is not that simple. Of course, you have done your work. Congratulations. Keep it up. Make this as a calendar event, and of course, we will be getting more teams next year. Wish you all the best, and of course for Mr. Aravind for programming the quiz, and for all the scorers there, MCs there, everybody. Okay, thank you very much, and all the participants. A very big thank you, and wish you all the best. Remember, it is plus 10, minus 10. Okay, here comes question number 1. William G. Ochi, he gave us a theory on motivation that was called theory. Just one letter. William G. Ochi also gave a theory of motivation. That theory was called theory what? One letter. I am looking for just one letter. We already had a question in the prelims. Actually, the continuity of that question is appearing here. Yes, who and for it? I can't hear it. X theory. See, in the prelims it asked you the human side of enterprise. Douglas McGregor wrote a book, Human Side of Enterprise. In that he introduced theory X and theory Y. This is theory Z. Minus 10 to continuity of X and Y is Z, not X. Okay. Douglas McGregor gave X and Y theory of motivation. William Ochi gave the theory of Z of motivation. X, Y, Z. Okay. That's why I told you the continuity of the preliminary question. Okay. Yes. Next one. Yes. Asian Paints. I'll give you an option. Who designed the logo? You press the buzzer. Okay. My question is who designed the logo? Okay. You pressed it, gave me the Asian Paints. The Asian Paints is not the answer I'm looking for. You should have waited. Okay. So I'll give a chance. Who designed the logo? No, time is up. It is minus 10. Minus 10. You should have waited. I'm waiting for. This is Asian Paints mascot. Old mascot, not now. Old mascot. Who designed, who drafted, who drawn this mascot? The answer is R.K. Lakshman. One and only R.K. Lakshman. R.K. Lakshman created this mascot. Gatu. His name is Gatu, the mascot of Asian Paints. Wait for unless each question may have different options. Okay. If you want to take the risk, take the risk. Sometimes it will take. Okay. 3. That's good. It is Android versions. K for KitKat, L for Lollipop, M for Marshmallow. That's the latest version of Android. 10 points. 10 points. Yes. 4th one. So, this is for something to do with fabrics. Fabric whitener, so many products are there. Ujala. Ujala is nowhere near the answer. Okay? It's not exactly about Ujala fabric whitener. It is? No, it's not Surf Excel. Minus 10 to team C. Okay? It is comfort. Okay? The fabric freshener. Okay? So, if you use comfort, if you are Hitler, you will become. Yes, that's it. Okay. It smells that good. Okay, that's the point. Yes, question number 5. Beyond 2020, mobile communication technology is commonly known as what? Sometimes purposefully we leave some clues in the slide itself. Beyond 2020, mobile communication technology is commonly known as what? No takers, audience? No, not technology. This question number 5, we are talking about 5G. 5G. 4G is already here. 4G is already here. Okay, after 2020, that is a common name. So that is, at present, it is the aim. They want to launch it beyond 2020. So they are not sure about how it will be called. But now it is to be called 5G. But they have common name. Beyond 2020, mobile communication technology. Even the name 5G may change. The possibilities are there. But now it is 5G. After 4G, it is 5G. Even in the prelims, they asked to 5S. That was question number 5. 5S. 5S from Japanese technology. That was question number 5. Yes. Next one. Skylake is the latest range of processor from which company? Come on, go for it. If it is a processor, you can name only one company. Yes. Of course, it is Intel. It is Intel. Intel is getting you 10 points. Intel. Okay. Next one, question number 7. HR. The dash slow, dash fast is a recruitment policy now very popular among the new startup organizations. We'll be having a national conference on startups, isn't it? Okay, startup companies, there is a complaint that they are following this recruitment policy. Okay, that's a general complaint. Dash slow, dash fast. So I want 2 words which are very popular in HR circles now. Even the recent, the labor laws reconstruction by central government is concentrating on this particular 2 words. Can you give me the 2 words? Very important words in recruitment and manpower planning. No? Audience? Hire and fire. Who said it? Yes, now. Congrats. Hire and fire. So the startups follow this method of hire slow, fire fast. So all the startup companies to save, okay, to save the packages they are supposed to pay, hire slow, fire fast. Hire slow, fire fast is the recruitment policy now very popular among the new startup organizations. Yes, question number 8. With reference to the years, can you connect these 2 personalities? 1992 to 1996, 1997 to 2011. C. What is it? I don't understand. Can I explain? It is the period of CEO and period of. Now, who is the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu? Just then what? In the past, see, Cubis at this PG level, it won't be that easy. Even giving the years, we won't ask this is the duration of their Chief Minister period, this is the period of the CEO years. Okay? We won't ask that easy question, even giving that years. See, going all through this question, how we can say this is the duration of their periods. I won't ask, even by putting the years, will I ask the duration of their CEO or Chief Minister period? I won't. Okay? It's not that elementary. At PG level, I won't ask this question. That is minus 10 to B. Question is connect. What is common to, what is connect, or what connects these 2 personalities during these years? Tough one, but very interesting. No? Audience?
They left and then came back into power again.
Oh, that's a very good guess. No. 2011 and after that? Yes?
International investors meet.
No. See, we are doing a business quiz. I want a pakka business connection. Okay? Yes?
Got fired and started a new party.
No. See, I'll tell you. See, 1991 to 1996, 1997 to 2011, Jayalalitha received 1 rupee salary per month, 1991 to 1996. 1997 to 2011, Steve Jobs collected $1 salary. Okay, that's the connection. Pakka business connection. Okay. The connection is 1 rupee salary, $1 salary. That's it. Okay. Question number 9. In 1921, sir, question again. Who designed the following intelligence test for job seekers? The examples of questions: what country is bound France? Which city and country produce the finest China? Where is River Volga? What country consumed the most tea before the war? Please wait. These are all examples of questions given in that intelligence test. Look at the year. In 1921, somebody started conducting recruitment tests. Who was that person? Is it Henry Ford or is it Thomas Alva Edison? Yes. Who pressed the buzzer? Ford. Henry Ford. It is not Henry Ford. It is -10. The right answer is Thomas Alva Edison for General Electric Company. Thomas Alva Edison, he designed the world's first recruitment test. If you are worried about recruitment test, of course the company ADAS is here. Okay. Lot about getting training for recruitment tests. Okay. Henry Ford, of course, it's a trap. If it is a question number 9, we are expecting a tie. That's why you put a trap. Okay. So what the scores are at this stage? You'll have to be very careful.
Team A Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel with 75 points.
Yes.
Team B Lead College Palakkad with 15.
Yes.
Team C DJ Academy with 80 points.
80.
Team D Lead College with 25.
25.
Team E SNMB with 65.
65.
Sri Krishna Team F with 25.
25. So very, very close.
Very close team. That is the third position. It is SNMB with 65.
Only 2 questions are there. First prize, second
The
prize.
second position is Team A with 75.
75.
5 points difference. And again for the first place it is DJ Academy with 5 points difference. It is 80.
So anything may happen in the last question. Okay. See, actually we script the quiz. What we call as scripting the quiz. Each and every question is getting a place in the quiz. It is 9th question, it is the 10th question, it is the first question, it is the last question, something like that. We are getting the satisfaction, the quiz is properly scripted, then we get this particular result. Because it's properly balanced. Everybody is having the equal chance of winning the quiz. Okay? So at least 3 teams will be having the chance of winning the quiz. So the quiz is giving us a satisfaction. It is good scripted. Okay? So all the teams, eyes on the screen. I will give, of course, all teams studying management. So I will give a quotation. Do you remember? We also gave one message to all the undergraduate students in the form of a quote. So we'll also give a quotation by a renowned management guru. Okay? Who gave this quotation? It is also our message to you. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Who said it? The management guru. If you are talking about the management guru, there is only one person. Yes. C.K. Prahalad is not the management guru. Okay? He is also a management guru from India. But he is not the management guru. -10 to Team E. Audience. Peter Drucker. Who said it? Peter Drucker. Peter Drucker is the management guru. All other people, they came after Peter Drucker. Okay? Peter Drucker is the management guru. Yes, at this stage, yes. The second place goes to.
Second place goes to Sardar Patel College.
Please stand up.
Srinivasa.
You missed it, Peter Drucker. Yes. Believe Peter Drucker. You will succeed in life. Yes. First place goes to.
First place goes to DJ Academy.
Please stand up. Good show. Congrats. Okay. And all students, this is also our message to you. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Don't worry about the future. Let the future come. Okay. Thank you very much. Winners, good show. Good show. Congrats. Yes. Good show. You take risks at the right stage and you played it well. Okay. Good show. Good show. Yes. You played it well. Good show. Thank you. Thank you. Played well. Better luck next time. And thank you very much over to the organizers. Thank you very much for giving us the opportunity. Shankara Group of Institutions and Cubus and ADOS. Thank you very much. Thank you.
together is progress and working together is success. Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to one and all present over here for this valediction session. Nothing is impossible without God as long as we have faith for His mighty power. Let us invoke the blessing of God to be highly successful in all ventures. I would like to gather to raise for a prayer song.
Devame Satchidananda, Devame Bhaktavalsala, Devame Nin Kripavanam, Njangalil Choriyename, Pularumbol Mudal Njangal Kaanunnu, Engum Nin Karavaibavam, Irudumbol Polum Tejagolangal, Nin Veeral Thumbil Thiriyunnu, Devame Satchidananda, Devame Bhaktavalsala, Devame Nin Kripavanam, Njangalil Choriyename.
Thank you, Arati. We have since taken the great privilege to raise up our hearty welcome and big warming to hold you all. We now request our dynamic Professor Eddie Gandhi, Head of the Department, SIMS, to welcome the gathering.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and it's my great privilege and honor to welcome the gathering to this wonderful, first of its kind, first time since QBIS, the National Level Business Quiz Contest. This contested with a high octane pace. With all your support to this gathering, I welcome our Secretary Sir, Deputy Joint Secretary Madam, the title sponsor, IDOS, Mr. Joki, Wonder Joki, Dean Academics, Dr. P. Murugesan, famous 1000+ quizzing experience, Dr. Professor Rangarajan from PhD CAS, my fellow colleagues, teammates from IDOS, participants from various colleges, my dear students. In fact, with the welcome, I also share my word of thanks to the wonderful students of SIMS who made this event a grand success. I couldn't resist myself from thanking. You might feel that I am deviating from the role of welcoming, but still I couldn't resist myself from thanking all my students because they made this hall packed, the SIMS building packed. There were no places to wander here and there. A huge crowd of 400 students from different part of the country, they came here, and this is a great gathering, and welcome one and all to this August gathering. I also express my sincere thanks to Mr. Joki for sponsoring the whole event, almost the whole event as a title sponsor, and this person was having immense confidence in us. We made this event possible in the matter of 15 days. And that's a great, someone believed us, the SIMS team will work and make this event a grand success in a matter of 15 days, that is 2 weeks. Barring 2 Sundays, it is only 13 days we worked. That's a great achievement. So to this August gathering, I welcome one and all once again. Thank you and look forward to all the winners to come and cheer this dais. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Honorable Secretary Sir, the D.P. Ramachandran, to felicitate the gathering.
Professor Gandhi, Professor Hill, Mr. Choi, Professor Ranganathan,